Aviary, where we're just gonna see tons of birds. Get really close to them if they let us. It's a little dangerous when it happens though. So there's over 1,000 birds flying around in this space, and you can find them in the bottom by your feet, of course on trees and limbs, but you should pay attention to look above because that's where birds live, right? Oh my gosh guys, king vulture right there. Never seen one before. It's huge. Enjoying this way more than I thought I would. These birds are fascinating. They keep surprising me. They're everywhere. They're big, they're small, they're cute, they're ugly. So great. My favorite thing, another suspension bridge.